Thank you to our Australian customer for purchasing our outdoor EA-OFixed LED display screen, which is 3.2 meters wide and 1.92 meters high. This LED display screen adopts advanced high-brightness SMD packaging technology, ensuring vivid and smooth images and videos can be presented in various outdoor environments. We have selected highly reliable LED driver ICs to ensure perfect performance with high brightness, high refresh rate, high grayscale, and color uniformity. The housing of EA-OFixed is made of heat-treated iron material, which enhances its heat resistance and wind-cold resistance, while ensuring high hardness and long service life. This design not only ensures the stability of the display screen under various weather conditions, but also effectively protects the internal electronic components from external environmental influences. We appreciate the trust and support of our Australian customers towards EA-OFixed outdoor LED displays. This product not only excels in visual effects, but also reaches industry-leading levels in durability and reliability.